Hello friends, I am going to unbox and assemble circular saw Black & Decker 13 ampere electrical operated circular saw. So this is a brand new box which I got from Home Depot, and I will going to cut open this box now and take out machine and parts, and then I will assemble this machine. So first of all, just cut the tape from the ends of the box, open the box and open the box and try to take out this machine. It is slightly tight fit in the box so that it doesn't move during transportation, and there is a blade on the side of the machine. There are not much parts for this machine. You get one machine assembly and one blade on the side, securely packed in the box. So here comes our machine, and now this is the manual which we can refer, and this is the blade. This blade has a rotation marks on it, and it is printed on one side. So when we assemble, we will look at these marks and match with marks on the machine. There's nothing else. So now this is the wire, and there is an Allen key attached to this wire, which we will use to unscrew the nut and attach the blade to the machine. So this is the Allen key, tightly snug with the wire. Unscrew the nut, press the button on the top of machine to lock the wheel, and now try to unscrew it. So there is a marks on the blade, rotation marks, and rotation marks on the machine as well. So the rule of thumb is the printed side of the blade will come outside, and other side is plain, which goes inside. We put the washer on and then screw the nut with the help of the Allen key provided. So you can loosely tighten it with your hand. Then there is a button on the top of machine. Press that button to lock the wheel, and then keep tightening until you make sure that this blade is fully tightened with the body of the machine. So press this button and keep it pressed and keep tightening your blade. Okay, seems to be tight enough. So now we are done assembling this machine. We'll try to, you see the blade is not wobbly, everything seems to be fine. So now I'll try to cut a piece of wood with this machine. So this machine is set up. So now I will try to cut. I already tried to cut this this piece of wood. So I will just slide it in the cut and hold the wood piece. Press, you see that black button in the machine? You can keep it pressed and you see there is a laser beam in the front of the machine. That laser beam guides us the direction of the cut. Thank you for watching.